The Huawei Mate 70 measures 160.9 millimeters in length, making it longer than the iPhone 16, which is 147.6 millimeters. This difference might appeal to users who prefer a larger screen area for media consumption and multitasking. The Huawei Mate 70 weighs 203 grams, while the iPhone 16 is lighter at 170 grams. This lighter weight of the iPhone 16 could enhance portability and comfort during prolonged use. The Huawei Mate 70 features a 6.7 inches display, providing a larger viewing area compared to the iPhone 16's 6.1 inches. This larger display on the Mate 70 is ideal for gaming and watching videos. The Huawei Mate 70 boasts a versatile camera setup with a 50-megapixel wide lens, a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 40-megapixel ultrawide lens. In contrast, the iPhone 16 has a 48-megapixel wide lens and a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens. The Mate 70's periscope lens offers superior zoom capabilities, making it perfect for capturing distant subjects with clarity. Huawei Mate 70 offers configurations of 256GB, 512GB with 12GB RAM, while the iPhone 16 comes with 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB with 8GB RAM. The higher storage options in the Mate 70 cater to users needing extensive space for apps and media. The resolution of the Huawei Mate 70 stands at 1216 by 2688 pixels, resulting in a density of approximately 440 ppi, whereas the iPhone 16 has a resolution of 1179 by 2556 pixels with around 461 ppi. Although the iPhone 16 has a slightly higher pixel density, the Mate 70's larger screen size compensates well for immersive visuals. The Huawei Mate 70 is powered by a deca-core CPU, which includes a combination of high-performance and efficiency cores, while the iPhone 16 features a 6-core CPU known for its optimized performance. The Mate 70's architecture could provide better multitasking capabilities. With a robust 5300 mAh battery, the Huawei Mate 70 offers significantly more capacity than the iPhone 16's 35 and 61 mAh. This larger battery in the Mate 70 is advantageous for heavy users who require extended battery life throughout the day. The Huawei Mate 70 includes a 13-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera, while the iPhone 16 has a 12-megapixel wide selfie camera. The ultra-wide lens on the Mate 70 allows for more expansive group selfies and landscape shots. The Huawei Mate 70 features a glass front and aluminum alloy frame, while the iPhone 16 has a glass front and back with an aluminum frame. The construction of both devices promises durability, but the iPhone's glass back may offer a more premium feel. The camera features of the Huawei Mate 70 include laser AF, OIS, and an AI photography master function, enhancing photo quality and versatility. The iPhone 16 also includes advanced features like dual LED dual-tone flash and smart HDR5, but the Mate 70's AI capabilities may provide a creative edge in photography. The Huawei Mate 70's selfie camera supports HDR and ultra-wide shots, while the iPhone 16 offers features like Dolby Vision HDR and 3D spatial audio. The Mate 70's ultra-wide capability is particularly appealing for group selfies and dynamic shots. The Huawei Mate 70 runs on Harmony OS 4.3, while the iPhone 16 operates on iOS 18. Users familiar with Apple's ecosystem may prefer the iPhone for its seamless integration with other Apple devices. The Huawei Mate 70 is equipped with the Huawei Kirin 910, while the iPhone 16 features the Apple A18 chipset. Apple's chipset is known for its efficiency and performance, particularly in gaming and intensive tasks. The Huawei Mate 70 utilizes an LTPO OLED display with a peak brightness of 2500 nits, while the iPhone 16 features a Super Retina XDR OLED display with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. The Mate 70's higher peak brightness can enhance visibility in bright environments. The Huawei Mate 70 supports a 1 to 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, providing smoother scrolling and gaming experiences. The iPhone 16 features Dynamic Island, enhancing user interaction, but lacks the same refresh rate flexibility. The Huawei Mate 70 is powered by the Mali 920 GPU, while the iPhone 16 features the Apple GPU with 5-core graphics. The iPhone's GPU is renowned for its performance in gaming and graphics-intensive applications, Both devices support 4K video recording, but the iPhone 16 offers higher frame rate options and Dolby Vision HDR. The advanced video capabilities of the iPhone 16 may appeal more to content creators. The Huawei Mate 70 includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, while the iPhone 16 uses Face ID for biometric security. Users who prefer the convenience of facial recognition may lean towards the iPhone 16. The Huawei Mate 70 includes AI assistant and gaming enhancements, while the iPhone 16 features ultra-wideband support and emergency SOS capabilities. The iPhone's features may provide additional peace of mind for users. The price range for the Huawei Mate 70 is between $760 to $960, while the iPhone 16 starts around $900. The Mate 70 may offer better value for users seeking high-end features at a lower price point.